Sign up process in this website is free and easy. You can get paid quickly again and again for unlimited times. It works worldwide. And in this video, I will reveal pretty much a secret trick to use a strategy and make this an amount of money every single day. And if you'll stay until the end, you will know exactly how to make this work, even if you're completely new to online business, even if you have no followers, no subscribers, or any social media accounts, even if you have no website, no traffic, and no previous experience. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you will need to complete is to come to socialtradia.com. This is a marketplace where you can buy and sell different Instagram accounts. And no, don't worry, you will not have to buy or sell any of those Instagram accounts as promised to you. You don't even need an Instagram account to make this work. There's one single thing that you can do with the website. Anyways, I do want to show you something. You can check out this page for example. This right here is selling for $120 and they have only 2,000 followers. But right next to it, selling for $300. So the more followers the page has, obviously, the more money they can make. Like this page, if they just have 5,000 more followers, they could make an extra $300, and you have all these different pages that have similar amount of followers and are not able to sell hundreds of dollars. Do you use your Instagram as a selling platform too? If yes, what product are you selling? Comment down below. Now the second thing I want to show you is the website called viralrace.com, and under the section of buy Instagram followers, now don't worry, you will not have to invest any money to buy fake Instagram followers or whatsoever. I just want to show you that this website offers real engaging users to become your followers with high retention rate. Now on this website right here, 100 followers are selling for $3,000. 1,000 followers are selling for $13. 5,000 followers for $40 and 10,000 followers are selling for $80. Now basically, this works by contacting this person over here. You can explain to them you're providing a service that is going to get him real engaging users, and then they will pay you. For example, you will tell them 5,000 real engaging users and $80. They will pay you the amount. So without your own money, you can go over to Viral Race, click on buy now right here, and pay $40 for the service. Enter their Instagram username. In this case, I can just grab this Instagram username over here and then I can paste it here. Enter my email address, select 5,000 followers, and continue to pay $40. And you are left with a profit of $40 without doing any of the work, without owning the page, without investing any of your money or whatsoever. You can repeat this again and again because this is a decent investment for them. If they buy more followers, for example 10,000 followers from you, you can charge them up to $160 and you can pay only $80 for those same followers. So you're kind of drop servicing this service and you are helping them because they will directly see a return on that investment, and you can either contact them through social trading. You can create an account on this website and tell them how you're providing that service, where we can get them real followers, and explain them that this will actually make them more money. And since they will realize that they will benefit from that deal, they will be more likely to pay you for those followers. But how are you going to prove them that you're actually legit? Well, here's the trick. You can tell them that you can provide them test followers for absolutely free because they pay you any amount of money, and this will make the deal a lot easier. Now, how do you actually provide them with free followers? Well, just grab their username, for example. This would be the username, and you can copy that and you go over to the website called popray.com. Now, this is a place where people also sell likes and followers. And what you can simply do is go over to the followers section right here, click on followers, and you have this test button for free followers. As you can see, $0. You can simply click on the buy button. Now paste their username right here, enter your own email address, click on a free test, and they will immediately receive 10 absolutely free followers. And now they will see that you're actually legit, that the service actually works, and now they will be more likely to pay you for more followers. And once again, if they pay you $160 for 10,000 followers, you just go back to viralrace.com, select on 10,000 followers, buy now, pay $80, and you're left with a profit of $80. And that will take you less than 5 minutes to just exchange a few messages with them. It's not hard at all, and you're also helping them sell their page for more money. And don't feel guilty because those followers are not fake. This is real engagement from real users. And that's why this strategy works really well. Don't look for excuses to not do this. Instead, look for excuses to do this. Now, I want to go out there, follow all the steps from this video, take action, and start making money because this can work pretty well for those that are not lazy to actually do it. Now, one thing you must avoid in order to not get banned from the website is to not spam with the same message to all of these users. If you send the exact same message to every single page on this website, Social Trade You will ban you. So I recommend you to change the message from one page to the other. Change a few words, add spaces, or whatsoever. And another thing which you can simply do is that since you have their Instagram username, you can DM them directly. But that will not work unless you have some followers on your page. So for that, you will need to invest a little bit of money for your page. Maybe after a first sale or two, you can just buy some followers for yourself. Maybe buy 10,000 followers just to have that social proof, just so they can see that your page is legit, and then reach out to them through DM and you can sell them these followers. Now you do it again and again for basically unlimited times, because if they can see a return on that investment, trust me, they will come back again. So you can build a sustainable online business with this particular strategy. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.